My first altcoin of the day that I've chosen to showcase to you today is going to be a bit of Tron, a bit of TRX coming through there. As you can see, we do have pretty high points coming through there, around 17 cents there. All-time highs coming through. Is it all-time highs coming through there? I think so, yeah, pretty much all-time highs coming through there. Pretty crazy stuff. As you can see, guys, we do have a pretty strong trend line to the downside actually from there, which is really quite interesting because the resistance is actually there. Really quite strong lower highs being created, and we did see this actually get pretty rejected coming through down or back in September as well there. So now we're actually on this very crucial breakout point here for Tron there. So there could really be a very nice long position coming through there to be looking out for. In terms of the downside here, guys, we do have a very nice level of support actually being formed along this zone as well, and that's why we've got this upward sloping support line. If we are going to see us reject it, we know we've got a massive level of support around this 8 cents there, so I really highly doubt we're going to get there. What I would be looking for is a lovely long position here for Tron here. So this is definitely something to be looking out for, and it's going to be pretty insanely profitable, if I may say so myself. In terms of a measure move for this position, guys, it's pretty ambitious. It's pretty big. Get ready. Get steady. We're going to make that money. As you can see here, it's around 63.43% there. So really quite a big gain there. Really quite crazy. Definitely something I will be looking out for there. And you know the score, guys. We're going to be staggering take profits all the way up here. We're not just going to be blindly going for the 63%. So my first take profit is going to be probably at this horizontal that we got coming through here from the previous lower high, which is obviously going to be a pretty strong reversal point for us to get over there. So it's definitely a first take profit point I would be looking for. Next one is going to be this volume weighted ATR band. We know how strong that is in terms of resistance and support. So that's probably going to be around, for now, depending on where we go there, it's going to be around 13.19, 13 cents there. Interesting stuff there. Another one coming through. You can see these highs coming through there. That's definitely going to be another take profit point. And then obviously all-time high points coming through there as well in terms of candle body closes, I do believe. Yeah, that's going to be around $16. And then probably taking, probably say about 20% each time we hit one of these. Once you hit your first take profit, guys, you take your stop loss, you move it to your entry, guys. You take your first, you move your You take your stop loss, you move it to your entry price, and that way, if you get any sort of reversal, right, you get stopped out, yes you do, but you've already had that initial take profit already. So it basically means it's a successful trade at the end of the day. You're basically planning for any sort of reversal, and in a sense, trailing your stop loss up, right? Well, if you were going to trail it up, you would be moving it as you go here, but it might be something to take into consideration. If you are literally sat like up here, and you're waiting for this last move here, you could literally trail your stop loss all the way up to here, above the volume weighted ATR band or something like that. And that's basically planning for any sort of reversal and still banking massive profit there, not giving up any more gains if you were to come right the way back down there. Now, moving on to a shorter term time frame, because we have covered that long there, I would just want to jump to the 4 hour here, because it might look a bit overwhelming as you can see here there. What I would say is we do have a descending triangle chart pattern here, guys. Pretty strong stuff, looking pretty good. Let me get to the 12 hour actually. It's a bit too crowded here on the 4 hour. Here we go. Yeah, the 12 hour not looking too bad here. You can see this is just quite a nice example, guys, of a nice breakout in the price. You can see the level of support we have here, here, and here. You can see, the resistance is here. You can see the level of resistance here, but the support that we actually find along this trend line, right? Downward sloping support line here. Very good stuff indeed. Actually looking really good for a breakout scenario from this descending triangle chart pattern. As you can see, the measure move for this would be going on the most recent uptrend. This has played out, guys. I just want to give you a nice example of this. It's going to be literally riding that wave all the way up. As you can see, we also, let me get rid of this trend line for now. You can see also we do have this upward sloping parallel channel as well, guys. This upward sloping parallel channel, which we're currently sat in. This is the range that we're playing with at the moment. Let me get rid of that. The range that we're playing with at the moment, this is quite an interesting point here to be looking out for, because this does actually correlate with, I don't know where that trend line's gone. It does bug me when they do disappear like that. So down to the daily time frame as well. Look, you can see this trend line coming through here, guys. This is the breakout scenario that we are looking for. You can see we're actually inside of this rising parallel channel as well. So this basically means we could easily actually see rejection of this 11 cents and 8.1 there. Even if we do see us climb up here, this probably isn't going to be a great scenario here. If you were to enter now, or even enter when we cleared this candle body high here, you can come up. You can actually get rejected before you hit this take profit here. So to be honest, I probably would be patient here. I would be waiting until we can actually clear this 12 cents and 1 there. Obviously, nothing I say is financial advice. Please, please, please go do your own research and your own TA before you enter any sort of these positions here. But yeah, this is definitely a point I would be looking for in terms of an entry point there, just because if you were to enter here, you're probably going to see that resistance play out there, and you don't want that, guys. We don't want that. We're here to make money. It's as simple as that. So yeah, in terms of the measure move for this this rising parallel channel here, in terms of another take profit we could actually get set in there, just because we're seeing it's a double breakout scenario, guys. We're breaking out of a symmetrical triangle here on the macro scale, and then on the micro scale here, we're breaking out of a rising parallel channel. So yeah, there's two breakout scenarios coming through there. We're not going to be trading it twice, guys. We're literally just going to be either just holding on and basically taking profit, staggering out take profits at this zone as well. And if we do clear this measure move here, might be an inclination to add to our position or something along the lines of that, depending on where this volume weighted ATR band is there. But yeah, not too bad for Tron. I would say overall looking really, really quite bullish here. Definitely something to be looking out for is going to be this long position for the future. But yeah, that is going to be your daily update today here on Tron.